Hello everyone, myself Dr. Chidanand Naik. I am officiating as head of the department in the Department of Civil Engineering AITM Bhatkal. From last 13 years, I am serving as an assistant professor in this department. So this department was established in the early 1980s. So along with the other departments, it is one of the oldest departments which was established in the AITM Bhatkal. Our department has given 13 rank holders in the university level, right from the Karnataka University Dharwad. So it has given many rank holders in the University of Vishwesvaraya Technological University, Belgavi also. Our faculty members are very experienced and skilled, and our laboratories have almost all the modernized equipment, especially in the field of surveying as well as in the field of concrete technology. We have got sophisticated instruments like total station, ultrasonic pulse velocity, etc. So which will give the practical knowledge to the students. Along with this, we are also arranging the site visits as well as the workshops by the experts. So along with these activities, we inculcate our students, we impart by imparting the technical knowledge among our students, and we hope this department will produce many rank holders in the upcoming years. I wholeheartedly welcome all the engineering aspirants to take the admission in this department and excel their career. Thank you.